Jim at Pals, and Jim, you just got it out with a magnet. There's the keeper, folks. See the keyway? The key? And the magnet pulled it out. So a little spray to get the debris out of the way, and then the magnet pulled it right out. Now what's the next step, Jim?
I gotta try to spin the nut off and try to get it out of there.
So now we've got
look at that.
Look at that, and that's going to come right off the tube. So this is like a pipe thread, folks.
It is not light.
We're spinning that off. Okay. Now we're going to pull.
Yeah, this is going to be difficult.
Now this is a heavy piece.
Well, and it's got the seal on the inside which holds it. So I might have to do some prying.
So you might have to actually use a puller to get that, eh? You going to be able to pry it? There she comes. Now Jim's going to lift this off. Now folks, these are not light. These are very heavy. So if you're attempting to do this at home on your own, be ready, because when it comes off, it's going to be a heavy piece. Jim's getting ready. He's getting a cloth.
So I don't make too much of a mess here.
Because this is going to be full of oil and grease when it comes out. There it comes. Look at how heavy that is. There it comes, coming down. And there's the assembly. Now, look at our tube, folks. There's the bearing on the back side. So you've got the seal here, and then the bearing on the back side. Now those drum brakes are your parking brakes. Now these bearings were making a lot of noise. They've got dirt in them. And it's destroyed the bearing surface, so we're going to replace that. We're going to replace the bearings, the seals, then we're going to replace the rotors and the hub. All of it's going to be brand new. Customer does not want us to do anything with parking brakes. They never use them.
Well, they're unhooked.
They're unhooked. They don't use them. They're done. So when Jim gets done, it will look like the other side, which I'll take you over to it to show you how it's going to look when he gets done. This is something that's not an easy task, and it's something you wouldn't want to do in your driveway. This is the brand new parts on the back side. You can see the new rotor, new calipers, pads. This one, we didn't have to replace the hub. On the other side, we will. But you can see everything's back together, ready to go. If you've got a heavy-duty truck that needs maintenance on its rear brakes and hub assembly, bring it to Pals. See you soon.